What is cervical cancer? Ako po si Dr. Rhea Andrea Hurtado, isang obstetrician gynecologist, gynecologic oncologist, specialista po sa bukol ng cervix, ovaryo, at matres. So, ang cervical cancer po ay cancer sa kwelyo ng matres. Ito po ay bukol o abnormal na tissue na tumutubo sa kwelyo ng matres. Paano nagkakaroon ng cervical cancer? Ang kadahilanan po nito ay nagkakaroon po ang isang babae ng infeksyon na tinatawag natin na human papillomavirus infection. So ito pong virus na to, ito po ay nakukuha sa pakikipagtalik or skin-to-skin contact during sexual intercourse. Ano nga ba ang simptomas na ikaw ay may cervical cancer? So ito ay abnormal vaginal bleeding or abnormal na pagdudugo, abnormal discharge, usually watery or foul smelling, at saka usually may low back pain. Ang early stage ng cervical cancer ay wala masyadong simptomas. Paano nga ba dinadiagnose ang cervical cancer? So kung ikaw ay may nararamdaman na simptomas na nabanggit ko na kanina, ikaw ay maaaring kumonsulta sa doktor, sa isang OB/GYN specialist. Sa OB/GYN specialist, ikaw ay titignan, maaring gawin ang vaginal examination or speculum examination. Sa eksaminasyon na ito, kung may nakitang bukol, ito ay maaring i-biopsy at sa biopsy, doon malalaman kung meron kang cervical cancer. Paano ba natin maiiwasan ang cervical cancer? So, meron tayong tinatawag na primary prevention and secondary prevention. The primary prevention is your human papillomavirus vaccine that is being given at the age of 9 to 15 years old. It has 9 valence, your Gardasil 9, and you have your 4-valent vaccine, which is your Gardasil 4. Your secondary prevention is through screening. So this is your pap smear and your HPV testing. Ang mensahe po namin sa mga kababaihan na magpa-screening kahit walang simptomas. Available po dito sa The Medical City, South Luzon, ang pap smear, liquid-based testing, at HPV testing. At available din po ang bakuna na human papillomavirus vaccine. For any abnormal symptoms or questions pertaining to cervical cancer, you can visit us at The Medical City, South Luzon, 2nd floor for any consultations. See you in the next video.
If you like this video, please follow our FB page and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more health videos.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell.